Ali Stoner's making a Malteser Tiffin. What is a Tiffin?
Well, Tiffin is, I'm not sure, I always call it a tray bake, which is funny because you don't actually bake it. It's made in the tray and it's really made with the simplest of ingredients: biscuits, chocolates, dried fruit, condensed milk, more chocolate. And in this one, the speciality ingredient is Maltesers. So we're going to lean into that with malted milk biscuits and malted milk powder. So we're going to start by just melting the chocolate. And I like to use a mix of milk and dark.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know why, because I love milk chocolate and I kind of feel like I should be using dark chocolate. I think it just helps temper the flavour a little bit.
Yeah, well, if you're indecisive like me, I'll definitely just use both of them too.
Yeah. And then we're just going to mix that in with a little bit of butter and get that melted. And while I'm doing that, what we need to do is just crush up some of the biscuits and some of the Maltesers.
Okay, butter goes in at this stage
Yeah, butter in as well, thank you.
Beautiful. So Maltesers, we've got 2 bowls of Maltesers here.
Yeah, we're going to leave one whole.
Okay.
We're going to pop that into the mix afterwards because that's going to be lovely. When you cut this into squares, you get to cut through a whole Malteser. It's like super yummy, one of my favourite chocolates. And these we can blitz down to, not quite down to a powder, but just into small chunky pieces.
Okay, small chunky pieces coming right up. How's that, Ali? A bit more?
Oh, no, that's perfect.
Oh, great. You could also just chop these or put them in a bag.
Yeah, and beat them to smithereens with a rolling pin. And with the biscuits, you don't really want it too floury. You want to be able to see some biscuit chunks. Some can be really broken up and some can be chunky.
Okay, so I'm just going to give the little food processor a helping hand by breaking them up. All right, lid on. Give that another little blend. How's that, Ali?
That's perfect.
Okay.
Right, this is melted now. So we'll just get that off the heat. Now, we're just going to start adding all the ingredients in. So should we start with all the liquid ingredients? So the condensed milk. This is just a tin of condensed milk. I might need to help you there.
Yeah. If you don't like sugar, look away.
I remember my dad used to eat this out the tin, condensed milk.
Really?
Yeah.
For a little sweetie.
Yeah, what a shocker. So we'll mix that. Then we've got some malted milk powder. We'll just get this from the supermarket.
There we go.
And then we can go in with the crushed Maltesers.
And that's pretty much what's inside there, isn't it?
Essentially, yeah. It's just a powdered version of a Malteser, basically. And then we can go in with the biscuits and then fold it all in.
There we go. Everything's super crunchy and more.
Yeah, no, it's everything, isn't it?
Decadent. Yeah.
And actually, let's just pop those
Straight in?
straight in, and the dates as well.
Ah, excellent.
I love the dates in here instead of raisins, just because I'm a massive date fan. I love the chewiness of them. The contrast in this particular version of Tiffin really works well.
Yeah, slightly caramelly too, which will go with all those flavours. Lovely. So we've lined a tin with some baking paper. Always a good idea to get the Tiffin out.
Absolutely. You want to go to all this hard work. Well, it's actually not really hard work. It's really very easy.
Yes.
The hardest part is waiting for it to sit.
How about I give you a hand like that? There we go.
Thank you very much. Right, we're going to press this down and then get it in the fridge to sit.
Great. More chocolate. I don't think there's enough chocolate yet, Ali.
No, definitely more chocolate is required. Very good, just to finish it off. It's very thin, really, for a slice.
So that's the milk chocolate and dark chocolate sticking to the theme. And this is firmed up nicely, hasn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't take long. So the butter and the chocolate does actually firm up quite quickly.
Yep. And so you just want that spread out evenly?
Yes, please.
All right. Oh, look at that.
Butter gives it a real ganache consistency to spread. It's really only the chocolate that's on the top now. Everything else is chilled, so the base will actually cool it as well.
Fantastic.
So I just like to kind of spread these out into a sort of grid pattern. It helps me then when we come to cut it.
Ah, yes, everyone can have an extra Malteser on the top. So now we just have to be just a little bit more patient. We'll chill it, and then we can have a taste. the wait is over. This is looking good. It's perfectly set.
It's perfectly set, yeah.
Shall I do the honours?
Absolutely, I'll grab the tray.
There we go. Yep, the Tiffin is solid. Do you know what it reminds me of? A bit of a Rocky Road style.
It is, it's really that sort of thing, isn't it? It's all combined with the chocolate.
Scottish Rocky Road.
Yeah, Scottish Rocky Road. Here we go. I'll need 2 hands for this, because it sets quite solid.
Yeah, that's where that hot knife really does come in handy, doesn't it? I like the idea of doing this ahead of time, maybe even making a couple of them, wrapping them up. Great little gifts, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they make great gifts, and also sometimes you're having a dinner party or you're having friends for dinner and you can't really be bothered to make a proper dessert.
Yep.
This on a plate, a few berries.
Absolutely.
Job done.
Yep. Oh, I love the inside. Have a look at that.
Yeah, you can see those whole Maltesers and the biscuits. Oh, they're amazing.
Brilliant. And we've got some more malted milk powder.
That's right. I like just to put a little sprinkle on the top of these. It just makes them look like really pretty. Just a little sprinkle over the top.
There we go. Well, they look fantastic.
Beautiful. Right, the moment you've been waiting for. It's taste time.
It's very decadent, but it's like one of those things that you just, someone puts that in front of you, you're going to be very, very happy. Just all the delicious flavours that we like.
Oh, we need now is a nice cup of tea.
Or a whiskey.
Oh, absolutely. We dram. Never say no.
Cheers.